Daily Yoga Poses video number 4. Ardha Chakrasana. Hastapadasana. Both are included in Surya Namaskara. Ardha Chakrasana. Stand in Tadasana with your feet together and body relaxed. Place your hands on your lower back for support. Inhale deeply and slowly bend your upper body backward. Lift your chest upward and gently drop your head back. Instead of keeping your hands on your lower back, you can also raise your arms overhead for a deeper stretch if comfortable. Breathe normally and hold the pose for a few seconds. Slowly inhale and come back to standing position. Relax in Tadasana. Benefits of Ardha Chakrasana. Improves flexibility of the spine and back. Strengthens back and shoulder muscles. Helps reduce stiffness and mind back pain. Expands the chest and improves breathing. Improves posture and body balance. Energizes the body and reduces stress. Hastapadasana. Stand in Tadasana with your feet together and spine straight. Inhale and raise your arms upward. Exhale slowly and bend forward from the waist. Try to touch your palms beside your feet or hold your ankles. Bring your forehead closer to your knees without bending the legs. Breathe normally and hold the pose for a few seconds. Inhale slowly and come back up to standing position. Relax in Tadasana. Benefits of Hastapadasana. Stretches the spine, back and hamstrings. Improves flexibility of the body. Helps strengthen legs and knees. Improves blood circulation. Supports better digestion. Calms the mind and reduces stress. Helps relieve mild back stiffness. Improves posture and body balance. Refreshes the body and mind.